I think one of the things that I've learned from traveling globally is that it's very important to give back to the community in which you're residing. So every business that I've ever done, I've always tried to make sure that you're hiring local, but you're marrying that with the global best talent, and then that's where you actually get good collaboration.
In order to make it successful, we had to combine global expertise with local talent and bring them together, and I believe that has really worked beautifully for us. We have people from Estonia, from Egypt, from Canada, from the US, and of course a lot of people from all over the Caribbean, and I think it's really part of our success recipe is that beautiful diversity that we have.
I would love just to tell everybody thank you for being here and helping Cloud Carib become what it has.
I have an enormous amount of gratitude for all of the people that have trusted us to work together and delivering excellent service to our customers.
We wouldn't be doing it if it wasn't for every member of the team on a day-to-day basis. So all I can say is that I'm proud of the entire team at Cloud Carib.
I see nothing but growth and promise for us.
It's just amazing to see how we started with just a small team of 3, 4, 5 people, and then every couple of months it just grows, and now it's I think 100+ employees and all over the world. I'm just looking forward to see what it comes in the future.